Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering up with a fully charged battery so you don't lose footage mid-session. Once on, set the recording resolution to 4K and pick 16, 9 at 30 or 60 FPS depending on motion. Make sure the neck strap and tripod mount are secure to stabilize heavy units. This reduces handshake and improves low-light performance. Also remove lens caps and let sensors initialize. You want the night sensors warmed and ready before moving to focus, and once done with basic power and framing, switch to night or infrared mode and enable IR illumination if your unit has it. You should set manual focus and use focus peaking or center magnification to lock on distant subjects precisely, because autofocus struggles in low light. Then balance gain, ISO, and shutter speed. Raise gain only enough to reveal detail while watching the histogram to avoid noise and blown highlights. Use a tripod to permit longer exposures without blur. You begin recording and keep an eye on battery life and remaining storage so sessions don't end abruptly. Review short clips in playback to confirm focus, acceptable noise levels, and IR bloom. This helps you iterate quickly. If footage is too noisy or blown, reduce gain, increase IR distance, or lower shutter speed and reframe. If persistent problems occur, reset settings to defaults, check for firmware updates, and try a fresh battery. Those steps fix most hardware or software hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.